And you're from Taiwan?
Correct, yes.
How do you feel? You feel tense?
Super tense on my right side.
And out.
Oh my gosh. That's so weird.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Deep breath. And out. Whoa. Tears going down. There you are.
Oh my gosh.
There you go.
Oh my gosh. That worked.
So how was your experience?
Dr. Donovan uses the power of social media to spread his labor of love, one crack or follower at a time.
All right.
Okay.
This is our first time, and you're from Taiwan?
Correct, yes. I'm Vivian from Taiwan, and this is my first time, so I'm super excited.
Oh.
And how do you feel? You feel tense?
Super tense on my right side. Yeah.
Because you're doing facials.
Well, I don't know. Yes, that's right.
We just discovered just now.
Okay.
Okay, she's really tense. And you've been abused? I'm just
Maybe. Selective memory.
Okay. She completely got rid of all that. Those memories.
She was abused.
Okay.
Don't worry, we'll check her emotions. Okay, so you ready for this?
Okay.
All right, we're gonna give you the shoulder lean. You ready?
Oh gosh.
Okay. Deep breath. And out.
Oh my gosh. That's so weird.
Whoa.
Whoa. My lap. Wow.
Okay, she's sweating all over the place.
I know.
Just let it out. Okay, so we're gonna just the other side. You ready?
Okay.
All right, this is the side that's apparently not working. Okay, deep breath. Get out. Whoa. That was pretty sad. Tears going down. A lot of emotions on that side. They pulled in my arm.
I wonder what's going on my left side.
Okay, we're gonna give yourself a hug. Are you ready for this?
Okay.
She needs a hug bad.
She
That
does.
last guy, I'm just kidding. Breath. No.
Why is there truth to this? I'm kidding.
Yes! I was like, what's this?
How'd you know?
Yeah. Yeah, emotions.
Whoa! Woo! Woo! Okay. Wow. It feels so good.
Okay, we're gonna adjust you. Okay, come close to right here. Okay. Here we go. She needs this. There you are.
Wow.
Okay, other side. Okay, she's been needing this for years. Okay. Okay, bend this top leg right here. And then come close to right here. Okay, here we are. Okay. You're not gonna fall.
Okay.
Just trust issues. I'm just kidding.
Donovan knows everything. Wow.
That's so funny.
Okay, here we go. Okay, it's okay. There you
Oh
are.
my gosh.
She can trust again.
Wow. So good. Feels weird. Free.
All right, she's got some tension that needs attention. Okay.
Very tense.
Okay.
I
Ugh,
know.
my God.
Everything's here. Super tense. Sorry.
It's just noise. Oh, just relax his arm. Relax it. Relax it. Okay. She's releasing all these demons right now.
Yeah.
All these trust issues are coming. Over here. Okay. Okay, where are the handcuffs? I'm just kidding. All right, we gotta get our neck adjusted. All right, here we go. We're gonna drop this shoulder. Relax your neck. Okay, you got this. Relax. Okay, just drop your head.
It's so tense.
It is?
Oh my god! Oh my gosh! That's so crazy!
That was stuck.
Wow! Wow!
How are you living with that in there?
Do you like it?
Yeah!
Okay, just trust me.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, shoulder down. Okay, drop your head. Okay. You got this. You're doing good. Just drop your. I'm just kidding. You're doing good. Okay.
Is she tense?
No, she's doing great. Okay, just relax. There you go.
Oh my gosh.
I heard.
What just happened? Wow. I'm just taking this in.
Feels okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna strangle you for only a little bit. Like the last guy
She
did
likes that. She likes that. She likes that.
Okay.
What's this, like 50 Shades of Grey?
I
Sorry.
There you go.
Oh my gosh. That worked. That really worked. Wow. Oh my gosh. Overwhelmed.
You're so stuck.
Wow. It feels so good.
Feels good? Mm-hmm. I'm glad. So, we got her first adjustment. She's so relaxed right now. So how is your experience?
I feel like I'm gonna have a really good night's sleep tonight.
Who's coming over? I'm just kidding. You gotta be serious.
Nicholas.
I think you're going to the party tomorrow.
Really, you should bring Nicholas.
I know, I should.
Oh wow.
She's like, no, I'm just kidding. Okay. All right, so this is a video, but
Sorry, I'm just like so relaxed, and I'm just like trying to feel it all.
that's good. Okay, so you had a good experience.
Perfect, like amazing experience. Thank you
Okay,
so much.
I'm glad.
Yeah,
You're
I appreciate
welcome.
you. Thank you.